Hello, hello, everyone! Welcome back to Lily and Max English. This is your favorite digital space where learning English is always warm, always fun, and totally zero pressure. I am your host, Lily.
And I am Max. What is up, everybody? Welcome to another episode. Grab a snack, get comfortable on your sofa, and just relax with us. We are so happy you are here.
Yes, we are! We love spending time with you guys. So, Max, you had a very interesting weekend, right? You told me you met up with your friend from Canada. How was it?
Oh, man. Lily, it was good, but I also had one of the most embarrassing moments of my life.
Oh no, what happened? Did you spill coffee on him?
Worse! Okay, so I walked into the cafe and I saw him. He smiled, waved at me, and said, "Hey man, what's up?" And Lily, my brain just stopped working. I froze. I looked at him, and in a very loud, robotic voice, I said, "I am fine, thank you. And you?"
No, Max, you didn't. You sounded like an old English textbook.
I know. I sounded exactly like a textbook from middle school. My friend looked at me for a second, and then he just started laughing so hard. He said, "Max, are you a robot today?" I was so embarrassed.
Oh, poor Max. But honestly, I completely understand. And that is exactly what we are talking about today. We are going to help everyone stop sounding like a textbook and learn how to chat with friends naturally.
Yes, please. Because honestly, talking to people you already know can sometimes feel even more stressful than talking to strangers.
Really? Why do you think that is?
Because with strangers, you just say hello. But with friends, you want to sound cool. You want to sound natural. You want to catch their jokes. You don't want to sound like you are taking an English test, you know?
That makes total sense. And I want to tell everyone listening right now, if you sound like a textbook sometimes, it is not your fault. Schools teach us very formal English. They don't teach us how to hang out and be casual.
Exactly. So if you have ever panicked and yelled, "I am fine, thank you," at a friend, you are in the right place. Hit that subscribe button right now and give this video a like. Today we are turning you into a smooth, natural conversationalist.
Yes! So, let's start with scenario number 1, casual greetings. How to answer the famous question, "What's up?"
Please tell me, because when he said, "What's up?" for a second, I wanted to look up at the ceiling like the sky is up.
A lot of people feel that way. What's up does not mean how are you feeling. It usually just means what are you doing right now or what is new in your life.
So I should not say, "I am fine."
Right. You don't say I am fine. The best, most natural answer is very simple. You just say, not much, just chillin'.
Max, not much, just chillin'. Oh, I like that. Chilling means relaxing, right?
Exactly. It shows you are relaxed and happy. Or if your life is exactly the same as always, you can say, same old, same old.
Max, same old, same old. That sounds so cool. It sounds like I have been speaking English my whole life.
It really does. And if you want to ask them a question, don't say, how are you? Say something like, how have you been? Or any news? It feels so much warmer and friendlier.
Okay, I am taking notes. Not much, just chillin'. Perfect. So what is the next step? After we say hello, my friend starts talking. He tells me a story. How do I show him that I am listening?
Oh, this is so important. Scenario 2 is all about providing emotional value. We call this active listening. You have to show your friend that you care about their story.
Right, because before, when my friend told me an exciting story, I just stared at him and said, "Oh, Yes, good.
Max, that kills the conversation. Oh, yes, good. Sounds like you are bored.
I wasn't bored. I just didn't know what words to use.
I get it. To sound like a native speaker, you need to use reaction words, and you have to use your voice. Your tone of voice needs to go up and down. Let's practice. Max, tell me a piece of crazy fake news.
Okay, Lily, I found $100 on the street this morning.
No way! That's crazy!
Wow, your reaction makes me want to tell you the whole story. Let's try another one. Lily, my dog actually ate my homework last night.
Are you serious? Tell me more.
See, guys, did you hear Lily's voice? She didn't just say, oh. She said, no way. And that's crazy. And are you serious?
Exactly. These short phrases are magic. They make your friend feel special, and they make you sound incredibly fluent. You don't need a perfect grammar sentence, you just need good energy.
Good energy. I love that. Okay, what if I want to invite my friend to do something, like making plans for the weekend?
Scenario number 3, zero pressure plans. How did you usually invite people, Max?
Well, last year I wanted to eat lunch with a classmate, so I walked up to him and said, would you like to consume some food with me at 6 p.m.?
Consume some food? Max, you sound like an alien or like a lawyer reading a contract.
I know. He looks scared. I just wanted to eat a burger with him.
Okay, let's fix this. When you make plans with friends, you want to use the phrase grab a bite. It means to get something to eat casually.
Grab a bite. So I can say, do you want to grab a bite later?
Yes, perfect. Or you can say, let's hang out this weekend. Hang out is the best phrasal verb ever. It just means spending time together without a strict plan.
Max, are you free later? Let's hang out. Wow, that sounds so much better than, would you like to consume food?
It really does. It takes all the pressure away. Now, Max, I know you have one more fear when talking to friends. The ultimate fear.
Oh, the boss level nightmare. Yes. Okay, picture this. You are hanging out with a group of English speaking friends. Someone tells a joke. Everyone starts laughing. But they used a slang word, or they spoke too fast, and I didn't understand the joke at all.
Ugh, that is the worst feeling. You feel so left out.
Yes, and what do? I just do the fake laugh. Yes, very funny, but inside I am sweating.
Max, so many people do the fake laugh. But here is the secret. Real friends will never judge you for not understanding a slang word. English is a massive language with so many weird idioms. Even native speakers don't understand everything.
Really? So I don't have to fake laugh?
Never fake laugh with friends. Just stop them naturally. You can smile and say, wait, I missed that. What does that mean? Or simply, hold on, is that slang?
Max, hold on, is that slang? I like that. It sounds confident. It shows I am curious, not stupid.
Exactly. And if you want to be funny, you can make a joke about yourself. You can say, sorry guys, my English brain is loading right now.
My English brain is loading like a slow computer. That is hilarious. I am definitely using that. If I say that, they will laugh, and then they will happily explain the joke to me.
100%. It completely changes the mood from awkward to fun.
Wow, Lily, I feel like I am ready to go back to the cafe and try talking to my friend again. But wait, how do I leave? How do I say goodbye without sounding like a textbook?
Ah, the casual goodbye. Yes, we don't want to just stare at them and say, goodbye, I am leaving now.
Right. That is a bit scary.
Instead, keep it quick and light. You can say, I gotta run, which means I have to go now. And then follow it with, catch you later.
Max, I gotta run. Catch you later. That is so smooth. It means I will see you again soon.
Exactly. Or you can say, let's do this again soon. It leaves the door open for the next time you hang out. It makes your friend feel good.
I gotta run. Catch you later. I love it. Okay, Lily, let's do a quick summary so everyone can remember these amazing tips.
Let's do it. Number 1, ditch, I'm fine. When they ask, what's up, just say, not much, just chillin'.
Number 2, give good reactions. Don't just say, oh. Say, no way, or that's crazy. Use your energy.
Number 3, make zero pressure plans. Don't ask them to consume food. Ask them to grab a bite or hang out.
And number 4, no more fake laughs. If you don't understand the joke, just say, my English brain is loading.
You got it perfectly. You guys are totally ready to go chat with your friends. Now it is your turn. We want to hear from you. Max, what is the question of the day?
All right, everyone. Go down to the comments and answer this. What is your favorite thing to do with friends on the weekend? Do you like to watch movies, grab a bite at a restaurant, or just hang out at home?
Yes! Practice using the new words you learned today. Try to use hang out or grab a bite in your comment. Write it in English, even if it is just one sentence. We read every single one, and we love seeing you practice.
Absolutely. Do not be shy. There are no textbooks here. And please, hit that subscribe button and share this with a friend so you can both practice together.
Thank you so much for chilling with us today. Remember, your English is already amazing. You just need to relax and let your personality shine. You are doing great.
Catch you later, everyone. Have a wonderful day.
I gotta run. Bye, guys.